Hey friend, I hope you are having or have had a great day or night, whichever it is at the time that you are watching this video. There is so much going on in the world right now, and I don't know, I feel like we all could use a little therapy, so get ready with me as I do my makeup. I know right now the world seems the unsafest it has literally ever been. It's crazy, right? I know. But I feel like I'm surrounded by people. I have so many people in my energy who desire to do a multitude of different things. And I feel like collectively we need to get out of that mind state of fear, of living in fear, living in worry, having all these dreams and these goals and things that we want to do, but being too afraid to just go and jump off the cliff and take the leap of faith. With everything that is going on right now in the world, you might as well live your life. You might as well do whatever it is that you do that makes you happy. Because if the world's going to shit, I mean, wouldn't you rather be happy anyway? I know I would. I feel like inflation literally has us all in a chokehold by the neck. Do you feel me? Gas prices are through the roof. The increase in rent and groceries, and I'm at the place in my life right now where I don't want to make that my reality. I don't want to sit all day and just focus on all the things that are going wrong. I don't feel like that's a productive way to spend my time. I don't want to watch the news. I don't want to know. I just want to tune everything out. I want to create my own reality. I don't want to live in fear. I don't want to feel like I have to be doing anything that I truly don't want to do because someone tells me that I have to. So I don't know what it is for you that you desire to do. For me, it's what you're watching me do right now. Just talking, giving encouraging words, getting cute. You should do that. Whatever it is that you want to do that makes you happy, that lights you up, you should do that. I feel like there's so many of us who are just waiting for the perfect time, waiting for the perfect opportunity, waiting, just waiting. And the truth of the matter is, nobody is coming to save you. Fairy tales have us thinking, that our knight in shining armor is going to come and rescue us. And the truth of the matter is that is just not true. If you want the perfect opportunity, the perfect situation, you have to create it. It's not going to just fall into your lap, I also feel like there is an insane amount of us who desire to do things, and we're surrounded by people who just don't get it. We're surrounded by family members and parents and even friends, you know, who want to tell you what it is that you should be focusing on, or that what it is that you want to do really doesn't matter, or, you know, you're not going to make money from that, you're not going to make a living from that. Who are those people to tell you what your life is going to become? You know, at some point you have to stop going to people who have never been where it is that you desire to go, looking for advice, looking for answers, looking for support. You know, and that's not to say that you'll never find support in people who have never walked the path that you desire to walk, but should you really be waiting around hoping to get that approval from them? Because I'm not. And it's taken a lot for me to get to this place, you know? But I'm finally here. I love it here. I'm never leaving. Nobody can create my reality for me. No one is going to put their fear into my plans. Perfect example. Do y'all see my daughter behind me? She is the most fearless child I have ever met, and she's only one. And every day, I swear, I watch this little girl, and she really does inspire me. You can tell her no 100 times, and she will get up and continue to do it. She can try to do something, she can fall, and she literally bounces back every single time. And I feel like we can all take from that, you know? Yes, you're gonna do things and they may not stick. You're gonna throw things against the wall and nothing will appear like it is sticking. But does that mean you stop? Does that mean you give up? Does that mean it's never gonna happen? Or does that mean it's just not the time? You create the perfect time. I truly do feel in my heart that when you are called to do something, when you know in your heart that what it is that you desire comes from a place other than you, that there is, whether you call it God or the universe or spirit, whatever it is for you, when you know that they are calling you to be in a certain place, to do a certain thing, I truly do believe that your dreams will make room for you to be there. So, quit sleeping on yourself. Quit waiting for the right chance, the right opportunity, and just go do it. No one's coming to save you. You have to save you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time.